Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 35. How to add Contact Us extension. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to add Contact Us extension, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select All Campaigns and then select Campaigns. Select one campaign from the list. Now select Ads and Extensions and click on Extensions from the top. Now click on View Site Link Extensions button and you have so many extensions in the list. Select Site Link Extensions from the list, now click on Create Add Extension button. Now click on this Add New Site Link Extension link, here enter link text as Contact Us, in description enter your phone number or web URL, then enter your final URL, select Mobile and click on Save button. So this is how you can add Contact Us extension. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 36. How to add Money Back Guarantee extension. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to add Money Back Guarantee extension, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.